It's giving scalp. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. Hey guys, Nikki here, and we have this beautiful, gorgeous, simple wig from Unice Hair. So if you're interested, please continue to watch. Hey guys, we're back with another Unice wig. All right, so let's just get started and tint the front with my foundation so it will blend in with my skin. This is a very simple step. Just turn the lace your color. Okay, we're definitely going to slide this on. I want it a little tighter than that, so let me adjust the adjustable band. There you have it right there. This wig is almost perfection. I'm just going to make sure my part lined up, and it's not. I need to scoot it over a little more. Yeah, that'll get it right there. Make sure I lie hair. This is a perfect glueless wig, guys. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Y'all see that? Let me turn the light down a little bit. Did they turn it down too much? Look at that. That is fresh out the box. Right on my head. Gorgeous. So I'm going to take a clip and clip this up, and we're going to tighten the drawstring at the back so it can be even more tighter. Yeah, it can get tighter than this. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. First, let me put the comb in at the back. I love putting that comb in at the back. Here's your string. We're going to draw it and secure it and tuck. That way, if you want to wear it up, you can. Okay, while I adjust this, it is tape. So we're going to tape it down, guys. But let me tell you about it. It's a 13 by 4, 150% density wig, which we love us a high density, don't we? Don't we? This is the real scalp wig, meaning you don't really have to wear a stocking cap because it looks like real scalp. I showed you that at the beginning when I did the unboxing. HD lace that makes your hairline look super natural, and that's why I tinted it some with my foundation so that it can fit on in with my scalp as well. So I am going to do a glueless installation. I'm just going to put the tape down, but I want to show you the free parting in this wig. Like if you wanted to, you can take it from a middle part and part it anywhere. You don't have to keep a middle part for my girlies who don't like to wear a bust down. Being that this wig is a drawstring wig, like I said, you can wear it up and it makes it very versatile. So this is just flat out like this. Right? So this is just if you want to wear it straight and you're just out the door. Look. Like, for real. You're literally out the door, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. So let's just go ahead and adhere our tape. So there is tape over here by the ear tab. Look how freaking good they look. Look how freaking good that looks. Okay, so same on the other ear. Just push that and hold it in place. And while I have it down like this, I'm going to take a few photos and then I'm going to show you a couple of more ways to style it. Ooh, that's so cute. But I do want to use some even spray just to melt in my lace a little bit more. Now before I tie this down, I'm just going to take my brush and the rest of what I have on here and go ahead and melt that. And I'm going to take a Unice and tie this down for probably 5 to 7 minutes. And I'll be back, guys. Wax stick. While I have this tied down, just going to go ahead and do this little part, okay? Y'all all right with that? Hot comb. Now that I have that bumped and out of the way, let's just remove this and see what we're working with. This is so bomb, guys. Unice hair gonna make sure we right. Look, I'll come closer. Look, a little closer. So let's just put it back. Oh, guys, so perfect. Finger through those curls. We literally have our first style. So cute. That was super simple, right? Okay, so now let's work on a style. Super simple style. I'm just gonna leave a piece out over here at the beginning. Put the rest back. Piece out over here as well. Then I'm gonna take a ponytail holder. All right, guys, let's take the ponytail holder out. And now we're gonna work on an updo. This time we're gonna leave out one piece, but we're gonna leave out a lot more than we did this last time. About that much, right? Bear clip. Is that what those are called, guys? Clipped it in good. All right, guys, so that's this beautiful unit from Unice Hair. They have been coming through for me lately. I will make sure I leave the link to this hair and a discount code below the video for you all. And thank you so much, Unice Hair, for sponsoring this video. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.